Nakakatawa itong si Laila de Lima. Papalakasin daw nila ang oposisyon.
Opposition pa rin ako. And this is the opposition I identified with the Leni Robredo group, the Kiko Pangilinan, the 2022 team. That is the opposition so far as I'm concerned. Whether or not the opposition remains to be active or kailangan talagang i-reinvigorate uli, then I'm willing to help out also. But as to whether I'll be a candidate or not, that's another matter. Basta ba yung mga advokasya ko? Basta ba yung mga advokasya ko ay kalinya ng mga ideals and visions? And I'm certain about it. Kalinya talaga yan ng opposition na ay dyan ako. Dyan ako. So that's my
ma'am, speaking of that, you talked about how maybe you could help reinvigorate the opposition, specifically those, yung grupo po nila VP Leni or former VP Leni. What do you think should be done? Because over the past several years, ma'am, talagang hindi naman po madedenay na humina po talaga ng humina ang kanilang impluwensya, their numbers, their ratings, talagang malayo na po sa mga nangunguna ngayon. What do you think is needed to help revive or reinvigorate itong opposition you are allied with?
Hindi ko masyado kumpletong masasagot yung tanong na yan. But this is what I can say at the moment. Unang-una, yung dialogue namin should be regular, should be continuous, regular on a regular basis. In fact, yung sa Liberal Party, because I was actually elected as, kahit nakakulong ako, Deputy Chairman or President for Policy and Reform, ng Policy Reform and Advocacy of the Liberal Party, and meron kaming meeting, if I'm not mistaken, December 4 or December 5, and I will raise that. Now, there's need for continuous dialogue. There's need for ano ginagawa naman yan, but the refocus of our efforts kailangan planuhin din para lalong nafe-feel na ang presence ng opposition. But that is all I can say at the moment. Because, as I said, it would be subject to discussion. I don't want to be sounding as all-knowing about the moves that can be taken by the opposition to make it stronger. But I'd like to listen to them, and I hope they will also listen to me.
So talagang sa palagay mo, Laila de Lima, lalakas pa yung Liberal Party? Kayo nga ang rason, ikaw nga ang rason, bakit pahina ng pahina yung partido nyo Tapos nag-iisip pa kayo, nagre-rebranding pa kayo, or gusto nyo palakasin pa ang Liberal Party? Patawa ka ba? Aminin nyo na, nakailang eleksyon na po, no? Simula nung sa 8 diretso hanggang sa ayun na diretso na sila sa inyo. Diba? Tanggapin nyo na ayaw na ng mga tao ng mga dilawan, ayaw na ng mga tao ng Liberal Party. Nakailang eleksyon na po tayo, talo kayo. Diba? Ang nanalo lang sa inyo si Risa Ontiveros sa pinakahuli pa. Tapos you are trying to revive, diba? Nire-revive nyo ang opposition, ang Liberal Party. Ewan ko ba mga lods no, kung manhid lang talaga sila or bulag lang talaga sila or ayaw lang talaga nilang tanggapin na ayaw na ng mga tao sa kanila. Lalo na yung si Laila de Lima. Napaka-feeling nyo wala namang taong may gusto na sa inyo.